Watch this new and innovative method of saving money on utilities. Let's begin.
DESC. I know this may sound far-fetched to you, and even impossible, but it's what thousands of septic tanks owners throughout US are experiencing after using Septifix every month. I started using Septifix tabs after I saw the wonders it did at my brother's house. Even my grandkids hated to come visit as my daughter, their mom, was not allowing them to play near the septic tank because she was afraid they could get sick. And since the cost of a repair was just not an option, I bought 2 boxes of Septifix tabs. Enough to last for a year. I followed the directions. And took into consideration the size of my septic tank, so I started with 3 tabs down my toilet. After 3 days only, the smell was gone. The standing water over the cover of the septic tank was gone in about 5 days. Now, 1 tab of Septifix per month makes my septic tank work perfectly and my grandkids can now play through my whole garden. I am very happy and grateful, as a septic tank repair would have cost me thousands of dollars. John C., Los Angeles, California. Kathy M., Stowe, Vermont says, after building our house far away from sewers, we had to learn how to deal with the septic system. My septic tank was failing and the stench around it was so unbearable that I was ashamed to welcome guests even though we have such a beautiful garden surrounded by trees. We were using bleach and other similar products, so when we finally had the tank pumped, we were told there were a lot of solids and even clogs through the system, and that we needed to do a septic tank treatment before they came back in about 6 months. Thanks God they also told us about Septifix. And after a 3 tab start, we continued with 1 tab down the toilet monthly, and we stopped using bleach products. When the septic service company came back, they were really impressed with the condition of the tank and told us that pumping was not needed. We will definitely continue to use Septifix. Paying a little for it is well worth the savings we'll realize by having the tank pumped less often, not to mention the fact that Septifix is helping us avoid more significant performance problems with our septic system.
I hope that you feel a little better about your situation now that you know exactly where to find the solution to your real estate problem. Why don't you give us a call or go to our website?